प्लेस कोड क्वेश्चन बिहाफ। दिस इज द थर्ड पार्ट ऑफ कैपिटल कर्सिव लेटर्स राइटिंग। इसके पहले भी हम दो ग्रुप में बहुत अच्छे से जान चुके हैं कि कौन कौन से लेटर कंसिस्ट होते हैं एंड उसको हम किस टाइप से लिखते हैं। एंड आज के इस पार्ट में, आज के इस क्लास में, सेशन में हम बात करने वाले हैं ग्रुप नंबर 3 के बारे में। और इसमें हम देखेंगे कि कौन कौन से 5 और 6 लेटर्स हैं जो कंसिस्ट होते हैं एंड उन सारे लेटर्स को हम किस टाइप से लिखते हैं। इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मैंने सारे PDF को प्रोवाइड किए हुए हैं, आप चाहे तो वहाँ से जाकर डाउनलोड कर सकते हो, मेरे सारे लिंक वहाँ पे दिए हैं। एंड साथ ही साथ आप और भी कई सारे बुक्स को जो कि कर्सिव राइटिंग से रिलेटेड होते हैं ऑनलाइन आप उसको परचेज कर सकते हो, चाहे तो आप अमेजॉन, फ्लिपकार्ट या फिर एनी स्टेशनरी शॉप यू कैन परचेज द बुक्स। एंड इफ आई फाइंड सम नेम देन आई विल डेफिनेटली गिव इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स, you can check out from there also. And because it is very much important to do practice of your kid many times of all these letters. So इसके पहले हम दो ग्रुप्स में बात कर चुके हैं ऑलरेडी 12 लेटर्स के बारे में। तो आपको अगर देखना है या फिर अभी तक आपने उसको चेकआउट नहीं किया, डेफिनेटली you can go there and scroll down on my channel and also I have provided all the links in description box. You can check out from there because there are all the links are provided of all 2 groups and also all the groups of small cursive letters which we have done previously. So without further discussion, let's quickly get started. And for more upcoming groups, you need to do a subscribe as place group we have on. So let's see group number 3 and we'll see in this group which letters will be consist. So first letter consisting in this group number 3 is A. Okay. Next letter that will be consisting in this group, it will be B. After that there will be letter that's name is C. After that there will be letter that's name is R. Then K, and in last there will be P. Okay. So these all are 6 letters which will be consisting in this group number 3. Now let's see how can we write all these letters one by one. You have to start from third line. We'll go little bit upper part of this third line and we'll make a curve type line. We'll come again to the third line and go to the okay. Again let's see. First we'll start from the little bit upper part of the third line and we'll go to the first line. Again making one vertical line, we'll make one more line coming to the third line and then we'll make a channel. Okay, by following this tip you can make A. Okay, this is A. After that let's see how can we write B. So for writing B we have to start from first red line. We'll make one line and from the back side of this line we'll make 2 semicircle, and from the down part of the semicircle we'll make one little bit curve type line. Okay, one more time let's see. You have to do practice of each and every letters many times, like 3 to 4 times, yeah, 5 to 6 times, till which time you will not get to know properly then how can we write all these letters, because practice makes man perfect. Okay, so these all are B's. Now let's see next letter, that is S. How can we write S? So for writing S we have to again start from third line, go to the first line making one circle, coming to the third line and we'll make one curve. It is also very simple. You have to see each and every letters carefully then how I am writing. Okay, these are S. After that there is one more letter that's name is R. Let's see how can we write R. So for writing R we have to start from first red line. We'll make one standing line. From the back side of this standing line we'll go to the first red line and make one semicircle. Then by making one vertical line we'll come to the third line and make one curve little bit. Okay, I am making this very slowly, then you will be also know to how can you write R or any letters. Okay, after that let's see there is K. So let's see how can we write K. For writing K we have to start from second line. Okay, we'll go to the first red line, we'll come to the third blue line, again we'll go to the first red line by making one curve, we'll leave it and then make one more curve. Okay, it is also very easy. you have to make all the K like that only. Okay, these are K's. After that there is last letter, that's name is P. Let's see how can we write P. Okay, so for writing P, it is a little bit similar to B, but difference is there also. So let's see how to write P. So we have to start P like V from first red line. We'll go to the back side of this line and we'll make like that. Okay, so these are all are the letters which will be consisting in group number 3. Let's do a quick revision of all these letters by writing all together. So in this group number 3 we learned letters. First one was A, then B, then S, then R, then K, and in last there was P. Hoping you have done practice very well of all these letters and also all those letters which we have learned previously. So that's all for group number 3. Hoping you have done practice very well and you got to know properly all these letters. So see you in next video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here till end.